Get into the 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Get the best of both worlds in this versatile, capable Avalanche. A thoughtful blending of pickup utility and SUV comfort and convenience are yours in this stylish, family-friendly truck. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, alarm, dual zone AC, power driver seat. Style and function blend beautifully in this can-do Avalanche. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.